Botanical Gardens.
Yeah.
Look, fish. Look at Yusuf. Yusuf, fish. So people, here we are in Botanical Garden, Birmingham, and we got the fish. Little Yusuf and big Yusuf are looking at the fish. They're both. No, Uncle Yusuf. Not Talha, Uncle Yusuf and Yusuf. Huh? Is that the food place? Yeah, I'll hold it. Brother, just give me, I'll hold it. That's the feed, isn't it? Yusuf, why is it? Fish.
You know the Shirley aquatics? It used to be there.
Yeah.
It's gone now. It would have been ideal to have the kids there.
I think during pandemic everything's gone.
Yeah. Go on, let's move on.
So what's this? Is that oxygen?
Well, it simulates a supply of oxygen. Can you see underneath?
Yeah.
They've got
The bubbles.
the bubbles, yeah.
Cool.
And I think they've got a filtering system.
So this is my first time after 25 years coming to Botanical Gardens. Yeah, I'm looking for the birds.
I know the birds.
When I came here 25 years ago, there were loads of birds.
I know, I don't know where they are.
Where are the birds? Huh? Looks like a lot of wedding goods going on here. This place seems to be very popular for the wedding pictures. But we're here to see the Yusuf's here to guys. There's a show going on here in Botanic Garden. That plant looks beautiful. It's what, 150 quid?
That's how much your TV is.
That's how much TV is.
Yeah?
But these are exotic plants, Talha, look. You don't get them in this country. No, look, some of them are 6 quid, some of them are prices are on there. They're nice. Look at that. Some of them are 3 quid, 4 quid. Don't know what they
I
are.
don't even know what they are.
Well, they are lithics. They're 3 years old.
3 years
I
old?
grow them from seed. I sow 9,000 seed a year. I have 90 trays full of seed. And then within 3 years they're that size. And then I sell them.
How big can they go?
They'll only get that size when they change leaves each spring. They might go from 1 head to 2. So I've got bulbs that size.
Yeah.
For 30-year-old plants.
30 years.
30-year-old. But they've perhaps only got 12 heads on.
Sorry.
So they'll never
These,
have...
sorry, what plant are these?
They're lithops.
Yeah.
They said
The
they're
nickname is Livingstone.
Livingstone, so they don't... Do they just grow like that big?
Well, that is about the biggest that you can get.
So that's the biggest it gets?
Yeah, but how they expand is by putting out more heads. So a 30-year-old plant might have 12 heads grouped together, but they'll still only be in a bowl about that size.
Right.
So
It's a long way to see something grow.
yeah, but I'm going to be there in 30 years' time. So.
Inshallah, as we say.
See, I came here 25 years ago, so if I took one then, it might have had a few heads, but
But you didn't buy one for me then.
I came in school, they would have let me touch anything. Only if I knew then, if I met you.
I know. As you get older, you learn more.
Yeah. Huh? I'm sure I would have had 4 or 5 quid for
If you
this.
want to learn more, this is run by the British Cactus Succulent Society.
Okay.
For £15 a year, you can get magazines, seed lists.
I'll have too many hobbies to worry about. And but I think now I can't feel my kids are grown up. And now I've got grandkids. Now they're quite young, but if I can get them
So
started.
that's the stone with more than one head by the looks of it. Just keeps on growing more heads.
Nice talking to you.
Yeah, and you.
Thank you.
You have 2 cats?
They're from
So we got some more plants here. Wow, 45 kind of plant. Must be some special plants
This is
here.
why I just the smaller houses. And
Yusuf, you like this? No? Yes?
but this is the idea.
Okay.
Can't take any more home. My wife, she won't let me take any home. If it's got a big flower on it,
Yeah.
it's allowed home.
So we have some more plants here. Same company. What, 250? No, this.
Wisteria.
See after. Yeah, I mean, I'm not applying this, but I need to Google this.
This one has won lots of prizes in shows.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Does it need much water? Or is it just...
So do people
I
do
wouldn't
sales
have a
here?
clue. My dad knows more about it than I do.
who's your dad?
Yeah.
Oh, right. I've got...
Does it have some medicine?
Yeah. Well, you don't touch this.
No, we're
one,
not
though.
touching
That
the.
one. As soon as you touch it, it'll come all over your hands.
Yeah, Yusuf, that's a warning for you.
Yeah.
Don't touch.
Are those cactuses?
I picked a tray up yesterday.
Yeah.
Just pulled down my jacket there. Covered it.
It's really easy.
So this is you can actually identify.
I've been admiring the straw from
Yeah.
other people.
Yeah,
and
look.
sometimes maybe other people can.
Hey, look how expensive they are. They're like rare plants, you don't normally get them here. Yeah. Like the guy said, one of them is a stone plant, doesn't even grow. This grows more heads.
Whoa, heads.
Like, you know,
Like these.
like, yeah, like that, like these. So it just has one that big and then it doesn't
Which
grow
one, the
anymore.
one that's there?
The one we went at the start, the old man.
So they are.
So here we are, there's more plants. Are these all unique, brother? These called Avertia group. You know, you gotta really be into your plants to buy these kind of stuff.
Yeah, that's purple.
Purple one, what is that called?
In fact, that's a little that we should look at.
Oh, right, okay. These are some standard plants. Are they judging me?
I think they're having a competition. Is that right? Oh, they're having a competition here.
This is a competition section. So right people, we're having a competition, plant competition here in Botanical Gardens, Birmingham. Look at that, man. The pots look nice, ain't they? Yeah, this is the greenhouse, Talha. And
You see some big plants.
yeah, but I think
Tired.
he's looking for the birds tweeting.
The birds will be outside. We'll go this way.
We'll be outside now.
Hello, Yusuf.
I thought they were being.
Birds, Yusuf, bird.
Birds.
Yusuf, touch the bird.
These are real birds.
Come on, Yusuf.
Take a picture of it.
Come on, Yusuf, stand. Let's take a picture.
These aren't even real.
It's not alive. It's
Virgin palm.
Yeah, we're still in the greenhouse. So these are all the plants, Talha, look. Victoria, agave. Don't know what that is. Which one is that? Is that the back? Her Majesty's.
Here's a cactus.
These are all different plants. Read the names, Talha. Me and Yusuf and Uncle Yusuf will just have a look. Ah, look, that needs.
They're like random letters, these names, right?
Yeah. These plants are quite old, actually. Didn't they even cut them? Probably growing too much.
They have cut this one.
Yeah, because the branches are probably lit.
They cut it some cactuses.
Yeah. I think because the branches were hitting the top of the ceilings or roof.
That's no good.
There's a tea tree.
There's a tea tree.
You could make tea.
You make tea with it.
Yeah, looks like it.
So you you take the leaves off.
Look, it says tea tree oil is made from
So
the
you
crushed
you
leaves.
just take
Yeah,
the
in
tea
this
off.
plant. Yes.
The leaves off.
Oh, you like that, Yusuf? Yes.
So you just take the leaves off.
You like that? Yes.
So you just take the leaves off.
And you crush them.
Tea.
You crush them. You make a oil.
Yeah. And then you crush it and then it makes oil. Then you just put in the tea.
Tea tree.
Yeah. Apparently you make, huh?
Make oil out of it.
Yeah. So Yusuf, this is a bird cage, but I think they're all sleeping inside. It's cold.
Oh, it's cool.
Peacock there. There's a peacock.
Is that what peacock is?
Yeah. Yusuf, come here. Yusuf, look. Look.
Why have they released
Look.
it? Food.
Peacock.
Why have they released it? Food.
Don't go near it. Don't go near it.
them out.
Let it come out.
Food. Food. Why have they released
Huh? Yusuf, you want to eat it?
Why have they released it?
They're not released. This just this is how it lives here. So it walks around. Don't you like this, Talha? Look, this is how the gardens are.
Then you wish you had a garden like this?
Yeah, this is how all the rich and posh people have gardens.
I'll come and get a giant garden like this.
Would you like a garden like this?
Yeah.
It says when he becomes.
Then look after the...
Yeah, like guys, people, this is the garden. Yeah, they're not, are they looking after it, brother?
Yeah, yeah.
But first I want to start with the tiny
But this is the outside of botanical gardens.
Then looks after this too. Well, this must be all
Yeah,
leaf plants.
I mean inside it doesn't look like they're doing much of a maintenance. Really, they need to spend some money. I would have thought they're getting plenty of money. Oh, we could hear some birds over there. And there's a lot of photography for weddings going on. We got another one here.
I haven't seen this one last time.
Just come back. Right there they are. They're making most of the gardens. I would have thought they enjoy more looking at the birds and stuff, but they enjoy playing games here or running around. He knows how to look after himself. He's more active than the other one.
But at least now he's running around.
Yeah, he could chase him off. Why do you want to scare him off for?
There.
Yeah, you'll see.
Look, birds. Can you see the birds, Yusuf?
Are those two having a heart to heart? Oh, the tiny
Pigeon, yeah, pigeon, Yusuf. Pigeon.
Hello.
Oh, I like that one.
There's one right in the hole.
Ah, is that a fake one?
Yeah.
I guess the one at the top is a fake as well then.
Yeah, of course it is. We just tried to make a design.
Are they called lovebirds?
Huh?
Are they called lovebirds?
Yeah, look at
Oh yeah, lovebirds flight.
Hey, parrot! Can you repeat my voice, please? Can you repeat my voice, please?
So they're called parrots. Okay, that's parrots.
Can you see?
Hello. Hello, say Yusuf.
Hello. Can you talk? Hello. Hello. Yes or no? Yes or no? No. Okay. Olga, can you say hi? Give me action.
Smile. Smile. Okay, Don.
Smile.
Say hello to the baby. Hello, baby.
Baby. Smile.
Say hello.
Hello.
Say to him, smile. Smile. Hey, you too. Hello, mate. Smile.
Talk to you here, okay?
Smile.
Come on, talk to me here.
Hello, you too.
Is he itching himself?
Smile.
He's itching himself.
Smile.
Hello, the green blue parrot.
Hello.
Hello.
Smile.